Comment here 99 to participate in our super offers event. The subtle dance of the joints, unlocking BioDynamix joint genesis. Imagine your joints as a complex choreography, a subtle dance that allows for smooth, graceful movements. This dance, however, is governed by a special fluid, synovial fluid, known colloquially as joint jelly. Like any great show, this choreography requires care and maintenance over time to preserve its elegance and vitality. As we age, this joint choreography faces challenges. The synovial fluid, essential to cover and lubricate the cartilaginous tissue, begins to lose its consistency, becoming thinner and drier. This change is the result of a decrease in hyaluronan, a vital molecule that plays a crucial role in joint health. Let us imagine hyaluronan as the conductor of this joint orchestra. It conducts the synovial fluid symphony, ensuring joints move harmoniously. However, from the age of 30, this maestro begins to withdraw from the stage, leaving behind a void that directly impacts the quality of joint dance. As hyaluronan decreases, synovial fluid loses its cushiony, protective consistency. The friction between the pieces of cartilage increases, as if the dancers are losing their padded costumes. This wear and tear exposes the joints to the dominance of inflammatory cytokines, which begin to exert unwanted control over the choreography. This is where BioDynamix joint genesis comes into play, as an astute director restoring joint dance grandeur. This supplement seeks not only to fill the void left by the retreating hyaluronan, but also to reinforce the essential elements to maintain harmony between cartilaginous tissues. Let's take a deeper look at this liquid choreographer's formula to understand how it works behind the scenes to promote joint health. In its composition we find a synergy of carefully selected ingredients, each playing a vital role in restoring joint dance. 1. Reinforced hyaluronan. The maestro returns. The core ingredient, hyaluronan, is reintroduced with renewed strength. Imagine this as bringing the conductor back to the orchestra, allowing the synovial fluid symphony to be masterfully conducted. This hyaluronan booster aims to restore the consistency and thickness of the synovial fluid, once again creating an effective cushion between the joints. 2. Essential nutrients, fueling the dance. Just as dancers need a balanced diet to maintain their energy, joints require essential nutrients to thrive. BioDynamix joint genesis brings with it a range of nutrients that nourish the joints, providing the necessary fuel for the smooth and continuous dance of the cartilaginous surfaces. 3. Protective bubbles, dressing the dancers. To protect cartilaginous tissues from excessive friction, the supplement creates a kind of protective bubble. This additional layer acts as padded costumes for the dancers, reducing direct impact between joint surfaces and preserving joint integrity. 4. Revamped cushioning, smoothing movement. BioDynamix joint genesis seeks to restore the natural cushioning of joints. Imagine inserting a spring into the soles of dancers' shoes, softening impacts and allowing for more fluid movements. This cushioning effect is crucial for protecting joints against excessive wear. 5. Cytokine control, harmonizing the inflammatory orchestra. To address the increased control of inflammatory cytokines, the supplement acts as a cunning conductor, restoring balance in the inflammatory orchestra. Reducing the action of these cytokines is essential to prevent uncontrolled inflammation and preserve joint integrity. When considering the effectiveness of BioDynamix joint genesis, It is crucial to recognize how this comprehensive formula addresses the various aspects of the joint challenge. Just as an exquisite dance requires the perfect synchronization of several elements, this supplement seeks to restore synchrony in the joints, ensuring that the choreography of movement is preserved over time. In short, BioDynamix Joint Genesis is not just a supplement, but a liquid conductor that leads the joint orchestra back to its greatness. By restoring density to synovial fluid, nourishing joints, creating protective barriers and restoring cushioning, this supplement stands out as a vital ally in preserving joint health and vitality. So, allow the dance of your joints to be governed by the renewed harmony of BioDynamix Joint Genesis. Product link in comments.